Bea, congrats! Hi vlogs!
Hi vlogs!
Bea's gonna graduate today!
Hi vlog!
Hi vlog! Yeah! The graduating! Going na for graduation! Wow, look at that! Yeah. Hi vlogs! Where are we going, Gani? To
Most one?
No, most one because Tata's graduation. Bye. The graduate! Graduate! Graduate na daw siya.
We're gonna be late now!
Hey, the graduate!
Hi guys! It's my graduation! We're going! Are you excited? It's Tata's graduation. My look for today!
Look, shiny!
Do I look pretty?
Yes.
Beautiful?
Yes.
Mina, waka waka. Sa mina sanggalegwa.
It's time for Africa.
Are you from Africa?
Yes.
Find something to sit on. The graduate. Hey guys, sige na guys. Vlogger am din ay.
Hi vlog, welcome to me guys.
Oh.
Vlog. So mani. Wala jud ni.
Wala jud ni.
Kaya sir, kasi ganahan ka to sir.
Libre? Ganahan to ko bro, di man libre.
Picture ako lang.
Og libre, di ganahan ko.
Wapo.
Wapo, ikaw day, dili day. Sage, what is that you're eating, man? Wah? Let's go to mama ta. Wah? Ready na. Pero na, gawas na sila. See, is that your flower for Tata? Are you gonna give that?
There's two crunchy monsters.
See ka Tata, be happy graduation Tata.
Happy graduation, Tata.
Happy graduation. Yeah. Graduation Bea.
Sama mo kuya.
Happy graduation Bea. It's a shot na sa Bea. Ka na.
Sumuka ko.
Happy graduation. Go. Veya, ready na. Ready na kang Veya. Paano itong...
Congrats na.
Dito magsamok-samok dito do kay hot kid dito.
Say congratulations to Tata.
Congratulations Tata B.
Congrats Tata. Hangi.
Congratulations, Tata.
What else?
Family or friends?
Sabiya.
Cheers.
Vey, this is for you, Vey. This is for you, Vey. The Vey. Good. Happy graduation, Veya.
Congrats, baby.
Congrats. Happy graduation.
Congrats!
Happy graduation.
2 hours later.
Pero Villena, wir möchten nur ja.
We're waiting here. Oh, nana, nanggawas na sila. Asbeya.
Nakakanawa, Tio. Nag-banner na sila, Tio. Shake.
Nakakanawa. Ang wala nagdalag tarp. Si Siege, wait for Tata here, Siege. Come here. Hold your flowers. Give to Tata. Give na ka Tata. Wala tumsan na ni. Throw. Hold the ano. Hold the flowers.
Bring the flower.
Let's go. Hold that one. Veya, congrats. Kali ako, be. Kali ako, be. Mana? Tata Pretty po daw. Nani? Congrats. Lili. Congrats. Wala. Bye. See you. Picture sa. Picture. Graduate. Tanawa ang diploma utro biyon sa nakasulat. Settle your accountabilities. Naran diploma biya naro. Open. I-open bay. Unsay sulod bay? Settle your accountability.
Sawa ka. Mapagpanggap.
Ibis excited ka sa diploma ha. Settle your accountabilities mo di.
Medal.
Settle your accountabilities ha. Wow, the graduate open sa kay kabe? Sige namang nag-graduate.
Yes, information technology.
Wow.
Pilingon.
Pilingon.
Ako diploma niya.
Ay.
Dapat tapos lagi siya wala ko na.
Picture. Congrats. Oh, picture sa picture. Picture. It's required yun. It's required yun na mag-drink sa fountain truly.
No!
Okay, graduate naman.
Di ka po'y nabukuganta.
Nagi na sa CMU him ha. We drink from the fountain truly. So mag-drink yun ka dito. Mag-drink yun ka dito. Sa fountain.
Gusto pa mag-inspira mong dua?
Magmasteral pa sila.
Marap di ganahan manguli. Di ba maganahan manguli, no?
Ha?
Di ba maganahan manguli?
Mag-bet-bet kami.
Eskwela pa siguro. Nalang-alang siguro ni duha gi eskwela siguro.
Nakulangan 2
Nakulangan
years.
mag-eskwela ba?
Kay ano man, online man sila itong niyagi.
Oo, tama no.
Nakulangan sila face to face. Habis kita nagkikita ka kanan. Tapi kau pagod. Hinaan naman kita diri sa fountain, ipa-drink na lang nato na siya. Ba na teacher picture. Ba na teacher picture sa yang ano. Picture. Grabe yung traffic ko. Siege. Look at all the graduates. Wala po siya, no? Ang tatabi.
Grabe ni pagkapoy.
Ansa?
Kayo yun. Sama na iyang mo.
Be, pag-drink sa fountain truly, kaya nag-graduate na ka. Sige. Nabiya sa inyong CMU himdo.
No.
Sige na. Kay gagas sa fountain.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain.
I'm officially jobless.
Anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go,